Welcome to Programming Fundamentals. In this video, we're going to cover another commonly used expression in code called a function. So just a quick review, in our previous video we learned that coding is basically giving a computer a set of instructions to help solve a human problem. But how do we give computers these instructions? Do we do it step by step? All at once? Or like Shia LaBeouf?
Do it! Just do it!
Let me think. No, I'm good. Maybe tomorrow.
No, what are you waiting for? Do it!
Yeah. Maybe not like Shia LaBeouf. So that's where functions come into play. Functions are a set of instructions that accomplish a specific task. If you think about it, the way we give instructions to computers is the same way we give it to ourselves. Let me give you an example. Every day, you automatically perform a range of tasks without even thinking about what you're doing. But when you were a kid, even a simple task like tying your shoe took time to automate. At first, you had to learn it step by step. Something like, to tie your shoe, do the following: loop, swoop, and pull. But over time, all you had to do is tell yourself, tie my shoe, and you would do all the steps. This is the same for computers. So I guess you could say programming a computer is like teaching a kid. At first, you would have to give it a set of instructions. In this case, loop, swoop, and pull. And then you could just make those instructions into a function called tie my shoe. This way, you don't have to repeat the same thing over and over again. Like, who wants to keep repeating themselves all the time for the same thing just so they can feel understood? Oh, that's how parents must feel. Wow. So that's what's cool about functions. Reusability. Meaning, once you make a function, you can then use it anytime you want, however many times. Another cool feature of functions is abstraction. Meaning, if you want to use a function in your program, you don't have to know what goes on inside the function. All you gotta do is call it, and there's your output. Just like if you told a barber, hey, let me get that y is equal to mx plus b. And there's your cut. Oh. Well, it turns out that's actually an exponential haircut, so maybe it's a good idea to understand a bit more about functions. Yeah. So that's what a function is. A block of code that performs a specific task. So from our last 3 videos, you've learned some of the most fundamental expressions in code. We went over variables, if statements, and functions. There are still some more aspects of code to learn, but at least you got an idea of what it's about. So I'm going to wrap up this course by saying once again, do you want to learn more?